Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to Mully's Reviews. Now, just a heads up, what you're about to see was given to me by Yaqi to review for this channel. Thank you, Grace. Tonight we have the Yaqi Caramel Cat Whiskers synthetic brush. Now, this does come in a Badger version, but I don't have that. Okay, so this is the one that's got the nice bowling ball looking resin handle. It's got the Yaqi coin in the bottom of it, and it's got a nice synthetic head on it. Nice synthetic knot, I should say. The measurements are 26 millimeters by 58. We can get a rough idea. Yeah, it's about 58 millimeters, give or take. Now, I'll tell you guys the truth, straight out of the box. This synthetic knot was very reminiscent of the Simpson T3. It was very stiff, and when you would try to face load with it, it's so dense that the lather would like come out the sides rather than stay inside the knot, which was kind of a problem. I kind of figured, you know, even though it's synthetic, it still needs to be broken in. Now, people are going to say, synthetic brushes don't need to be broken in. Well, yeah, they do. Everything you use has to be broken in. So what I did is I just powered forward, kept using it. I went to face lathering with it, and I used the bumping bowl to kind of get some agitation on it. And it's softened up quite a bit. At first, when I was using it, when I tried to face lather with it, it would just drill a hole right in the middle of my soap. But now it's starting to come around when you splay. I see it's splaying a lot easier now. So it has broken in. It's going to take you a little while to get it broken in. Like I said, I probably shaved with it a dozen times and bowl lathered it a bunch, and I hand lathered with it, you know, just practicing and, you know, splaying it on the hand and stuff like that. And well, yeah, you can see how easy it splays now, right? So, you know, if you get past a break-in period, it's a nice brush. I use this about twice a week now. It's a regular piece in my collection. Why only twice a week? Because I like to let my brushes dry in between uses. So I will come out from the shower, and I'll put a towel here, and I'll, you know, do one of these things with it, and, you know, scrub it really good, and then I hang it upside down in a stand and let it sit there for a couple days while I'm using other brushes. And I have two stands going, you know, two brushes, and what I'll do is I'll, you know, set this one on this side, and when, you know, next shave, I'll take this one out and I'll move this one over and then put that one in, and then move this one down to the table and move another one in. So they kind of go in rotation. Now, this brush is 2,854 yen on AliExpress here in Japan, and that comes up to $20.05. So, you know, if you're interested in this brush, check out AliExpress. 20 bucks here, so it's probably about the same, maybe even cheaper where you're at. So if you're interested, give it a try. Like I said, it's a beautiful brush, and if you give it, you know, a little time to break in, I think you'll have something that you really like. Maybe not. You know, you may hate it and you may want to throw it away. If you do that, send it to me. I'll take it. Now, this does come in a Badger version, if you're interested in that. I do not know how much the Badger version is. Let me check. Oh, yeah. Caramel Cat Whisker in Badger, 6,288 yen. And that Badger knot is, it just says 2-band Badger. It doesn't say what grade it is, like silver tip or Manchurian or whatever. Yeah, so 6,288 yen, and that would come up to 62.88 yen to dollars would be $44.21. So 44 bucks, 45 bucks. All right, so there you guys go. The Yaqi Caramel Cat Whisker. Yeah, it's a beautiful handle. You know what? Even if you hated the knot, it's a nice handle, right? Fits really good in the hand. Well, fits good in my hand. Everybody's hands are different, so I know, you know, it may not fit for you. But yeah, I like it. It's when I bowl lather, I hold like that, so I like this little ridge here to get my fingers in. When I face lather, I tend to put this finger up here, and this fits perfectly down in there. So yeah, I think most people kind of hold the brush the same way anyway. Anyway, so there you go, the Yaqi Caramel Cat Whisker. What do you think, Ed? He likes it. All right, guys, there you go. Is it going to focus on it? And we will call that a shave. Y'all stay smooth.